Know that the sounds you hear and the smells around you can instantly change your emotions. Negative music and harsh smells send stress signals to your brain, causing irritation, frustration, and emotional imbalance. But the moment you switch to uplifting sounds and calming scents, everything shifts. Your brain releases feel good chemicals that change your entire mood. That is why I wrote my ebook, How Sounds and Smell Influence Your Mood. This guide shows you how to use vibrations, frequencies, essential oils, and aromatherapy to calm your mind, boost your focus, and bring spiritual balance into your daily life. If you want to take control of your emotions, improve your focus, and bring more peace into your life, this ebook is for you. Download it now. Tap the link and start your transformation today.